In this video, I'll be comparing TickTick and Google Tasks to help you decide which task manager works best for your productivity style in 2025. So for Google Tasks, it is a simple to-do list tool that integrates naturally with Gmail and Google Calendar. It's easy to use and great for jotting down tasks quickly. However, it lacks advanced features such as habit tracking, calendar views, or customizable reminders. It's best suited for users who want something lightweight and minimal, especially if they are already using Google Workspace. TickTick, on the other hand, it offers much more. It includes not just tasks, but also features like a built-in calendar, Pomodoro timer, daily habit tracker, and smart filters for organization. You can view tasks in multiple ways, create folders and tags, and manage both short and long-term goals in just one app. It's available across all platforms and offers a more comprehensive productivity experience. If you want a basic to-do list inside the Google ecosystem, then Google Task is fine. However, if you need full planning, time blocking, and productivity tools, then TikTok is a far better choice. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.